Aboard the vast industrial vessel, the crew prepares their stations. Hydraulic winches and sorting decks are ready. On the bridge, the precise tracking of the sea catfish harvest begins. Adjusting the heading now, looks like we have a significant concentration bearing 270. As the vessel gently rocks, the synchronized hum of the machinery signifies readiness. The team moves with precision. As the net spills smoothly into the sea, the crew guides the floats and lines into position. The winches rotate in a
The scene reveals sea catfish harvest using large-scale marine precision to build a controlled catch boundary.
The hydraulic haulers engage, beginning the first high-force retrieval stage. The crew works in synchronized positions.
Hold the line! Get ready on the starboard side!
As the nets break the surface, the massive scale of the harvest is revealed. This initial haul is
Power block swings the heavy catch over the deck, a coordinated effort by the seasoned crew, ensuring the harvest reaches the hoppers.
This floating work platform is designed for maximum efficiency, capable of handling hundreds of fish per hour in a controlled cascade. As the catch flows in, the sorting deck crew rapidly grades the sea catfish by size and condition, maintaining a relentless rhythm. As the catfish move down the line, high-pressure sprays remove slime and debris. It's a high-speed process demanding immediate hygienic control here on the wet line. The intermediate holding section utilizes insulated bins and iced slurry to rapidly chill the harvest. This is the sea catfish harvest, aligning humane control with industrial speed before primary processing begins. Once on board, the catfish enter the gutting lane. In a fast, organized rhythm, the team cleans and rinses the catch, splitting the usable product from the waste.
Plosibles. The heads are swiftly removed in a series of exact, standardized cuts. The trimmed bodies then move directly into the wash and
Scene reveals sea catfish harvest transitioning from rough primary processing into higher value onboard finishing. The sea catfish harvest requires precision at sea. Here, the skilled team rapidly separates the premium fillets, ensuring the baskets are lowered into the slurry, rapidly cooling the fish and ensuring peak freshness through precise chill cycles timed by the operators. Once loaded onto the racks, the fillets and whole fish are rapidly cooled to a stable temperature, ensuring preservation. Inside this vast offshore frozen warehouse, precision is paramount. Every pallet of sea catfish harvest is utilizing advanced onboard technology. These technicians ensure every batch of sea catfish meets stringent quality standards before it leaves the vessel.
After a heavy processing run, the deck undergoes a complete washdown. This ensures factory-grade cleanliness is maintained in a demanding marine environment.
This sea-based food factory operates 24 hours a day, processing the catch with industrial precision regardless of the weather. As the ship slows into port, land-based cold logistics prepare to receive the catch of hardhead seeking sea catfish. The sea catfish harvest demands a precise cold chain. Every element, from the cranes to the reefer trailers, must align perfectly to ensure the offload cycle repeats with steady precision, ensuring the sea catfish harvest is transferred without breaking temperature control. Maintaining the cold chain is critical. These pallets of sea catfish are quickly loaded onto the waiting reefer trucks for transport to the processing plant. The camera follows the catch as it transitions from the transport unit to the factory intake stream. Forklifts and receiving crews keep every pallet moving. Here in the chilled tempering room, the frozen catfish are carefully brought to the precise cutting temperature. As the sea catfish arrive from the tempering stage, the cutting floor operates in perfect synchronization. Inside the cutting lane, workers perform head removal and cleaning in an exact sequence, demonstrating remarkable speed and standardization. Inside this high-speed filleting section, the crew separates the catfish with practiced precision, extracting premium meat with fast industrial efficiency. As the camera glides across the trimming line, each fillet is refined into a clean, standardized piece.
Every movement prepares the product for packaging without interruption, transforming raw protein into standardized commercial units.
The sea catfish harvest operation meticulously tailors each catch, ensuring exact portions for diverse market formats. Embedding precision and accountability into every pack, the system weighs and labels the catfish portions. Mismatched units are instantly diverted. In this spotless facility, the premium catfish portions undergo controlled vacuum sealing. This rapid process. As the camera follows the trays, Clear film seals the top, and labels apply without slowing the line. The scene reveals sea catfish harvest, supporting both consumer and bulk commercial channels from one integrated plant. Scene reveals sea catfish harvest, completing long-term preservation on shore. Inside this vast cold room, the harvest is preserved. Disciplined inventory management ensures that every catfish pallet is accounted for and stored efficiently. This scientifically validated cold chain operation guarantees that the seafood reaching your table is safe, fresh, and of the highest quality. The sea catfish harvest is now entering export-ready logistics, ensuring complete traceability and cold protection. With a precise sequence of departures, the sea catfish harvest is expanding its chilled distribution network across the region. Inside the chilled distribution center, the rhythm is fast and exact. Every package is scanned and resorted. A sea catfish harvest represents the culmination of a long, cold process chain, finally reaching the consumer-facing endpoint here in the premium retail zone.
From the harvest boats to the finest kitchens, the journey of the sea catfish concludes here, where it is meticulously prepared for service.
From the vessel to the checkout aisle, the journey of the sea catfish concludes here. A quiet transaction supported by a complex network of industrial logistics. Aboard this floating factory, the harvest moves swiftly from the deck through processing, ensuring the catch is blast frozen long before landfall. Seamless cold chain movement ensures the sea catfish harvest transitions cleanly from vessel operations into land-based manufacturing. The montage reveals the full modern protein processing chain. From head removal and filleting to vacuum sealing and blast freezing, precision is added at every step. Sea catfish harvest moves rapidly through the cold chain, from frozen inventory in the warehouse, through distribution, and finally arriving fresh at the market and prep table.
The camera glides across the product wall, showcasing how a single species is diversified. Through careful cutting and grading,
every meal has a beginning. To find the source of this sea catfish, we must reverse the journey, tracing its path from the kitchen. The entire chain unfolds under bright lights as the fresh catch moves rapidly from the vessel hull through processing and into these final retail packs. The ship reads like a mobile seafood factory, revealing the sea catfish harvest as a self-contained offshore production platform. Once the sea phase ends, the harvest continues here on land. This facility operates as a sophisticated protein processing machine. From the moment the nets are hauled aboard, the vessel operates as a non-stop processing line, cleaning and freezing the harvest. From the moment the sea catfish arrive, the harvest operates with a smooth, cold manufacturing rhythm, ensuring peak freshness.
A coordinated relay of labor and logistics brings the sea catfish from the ocean to the plate. It's a journey
Moving through these compressors and pumps, the cold chain reveals itself as a living machine, stabilizing the harvest from catch to sale. Catch is divided into premium, standard, and bulk outputs with little waste. Every lane signals specific value in this full utilization system.
From the bridge fish finding records to the freezing logs and port manifests, the informational chain remains continuous.
From the moment the hardhead catfish are harvested at sea, a complex industrial food corridor sprint to action. In reversing the chain of supply, we move from the frozen pack through the industrial freezers and processing halls, back to the vessel's bridge and the very moment of detection. From the bridge screen, the sea catfish harvest begins. A carefully controlled cold chain ensures the fish arrive fresh at the retail freezer, ready for sale. From this pristine fillet, we trace the journey back through the processing halls, the cold storage, and finally, to the raw power of the ocean harvest. A forward surge from the heavy net haul on the deck leads directly to the processing line. Here, exact cuts
distance, harvested from the sea, processed, packaged, and plated. The life cycle of the catfish drives a continuous loop, linking consumption.
From a single precise cut, we reveal the vast, cold industrial network behind the sea catfish harvest. This single block of Bagre Marinus represents the tip of a vast, intricate cold chain. The infrastructure required. The vessel operates as a complete production machine. Every compartment contributes to the movement and preservation of the harvest. This sophisticated traceability system records every batch of oceanic sea catfish, creating a seamless data chain from the vessel to the final sale. It begins with culinary precision, but the journey of the sea catfish involves a vast, chilled infrastructure, connecting the kitchen to the harvest vessel at the harbor docks.
From the moment the nets break the surface, the sea catfish harvest becomes an unstoppable industrial flow.
rapidly moving rates. The sea catfish harvest is a coordinated inlay from ocean to market, human skill and machinery working in perfect synchronization at every handoff. Across the entire journey, from the vessel to the retail shelf, every data point is logged, ensuring rigorous quality and temperature control. The sea catfish harvest relies on a vast network. One shipping unit becomes the center of this large logistics environment in Forture. This single portion pack may seem small, but the system supporting it is immense. Sea catfish harvest. The contrast between the intricate biological detail of the catfish and the sheer industrial scale of the harvest deck is striking. The sea catfish harvest is a triumph of structured geometry, where every precise cut contributes to a larger, exact processing logic. Behind the frosty glass of your local supermarket lies the global supply chain of the plotoside catfish, a journey that spans processing plants and vast ocean harvests. From the moment they are harvested, the sea catfish enter a continuous cold logistics corridor, ensuring freshness from the vessel to the market. Sea catfish harvest is a refrigeration-dependent industrial chain, stretching from the vessel all the way to the store.
The camera expands from one printed code into the full informational backbone behind the moving product.
Bin becomes a unit cell inside a floating industrial organism. This offshore workflow relies on tightly connected compartments and stations. From a single fillet to a complex global value chain, every step ensures quality, presentation, and efficient market positioning. This comprehensive display showcases the full potential of the blue catfish. From whole harvest to value-added fillets and resminigs, the sea catfish harvest is a marvel of modern logistics. A continuous cold chain corridor transports the catch from the oceans. Every purchase tells a story. This simple package of sea catfish begins a journey that stretches across the globe. From the vessel deck to shoreside processing, the harvest is fast and exact. The sea catfish are quickly sorted, frozen, and sea catfish harvest is a sophisticated, harbor-scale refrigerated logistics operation, bridging the gap between the ocean and the factory. From this single tray, the branching architecture of the harvest becomes clear. One cut of fish becomes many market pathways.
As the camera widens, the full utilization chain becomes visible. Nothing significant is wasted.
As we pull back from the initial slurry ice, the full scale of the temperature-engineered process comes into view. The complete hygiene system keeps the product safe from vessel to plant. Cleanliness is a process in itself. As we pull back, the sheer scale of the operation becomes clear. This carefully choreographed workflow ensures that every fillet of
is the reality of the deep-sea harvest. Hard labor integrated into a complex industrial machine, miles from shore.
The final scene reveals sea catfish harvest as one of the most disciplined, cold-controlled, labor-intensive, and commercially optimized seafood systems.
The journey of the African sea catfish is a structured logistical ballet. Through pallet lanes, stretch wrappers, and loading docks,
the sea catfish harvest is a detail-driven finishing process, following the initial large-scale capture and butchery. The frozen inventory system at Sea Catfish Harvest is a marvel of modern logistics, coordinating hundreds of movements an hour in sub-zero temperatures. The journey of the Sea Catfish Harvest begins far from the shelf. Each upstream stage, from the vessel deck to the process. From this single shopping bag, we pull back to reveal the complex journey of the Sea Catfish Harvest. This specialized distribution chain, the Sea Catfish Harvest, integrates cold control and scheduling precision from port to plate. The winches strain under the weight of a massive haul. Here, the crew works tirelessly through the night to secure the valuable sea catfish. The manifest governs the harbor workflow. Here, the sea catfish harvest is revealed as both an administrative and physical industrial chain. Our safety assurance system begins here, analyzing every sea catfish harvest sample. It's a comprehensive. From a single cut, we see the full branching segmentation tree. The sea catfish harvest is a complex commercial architecture built on careful segmentation. From the powerful blast tunnel fans to the vast slurry chill tanks, this is the freezing chain supporting the African sea catfish harvest. From this single cut in the supermarket aisle, we pull back to reveal the immense scale of the sea catfish industry, a complex ecosystem of labor and logistics. The sea-to-fork network ensures this catfish reaches your table, a journey that is long, cold, and precisely timed by hundreds of hands. As we see here, Every step from the deep-sea nets to the final consumer pack is meticulously controlled for quality and efficiency.
This immense global panorama reveals the journey of the sea catfish, a complex chain of cold control, processing, and from the open ocean to the modern market. The sea catfish harvest is one of the most commercially optimized and visually impressive seafood systems in operation.